In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a DocuSign document before sending it. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just need a little guidance, I've got you covered with everything you need to know to streamline this important task. Let's start at your DocuSign homepage. Here, you'll find options that are essential for navigating your document signing process. One of the first things you'll need to do is locate the Start button. Alternatively, you can head over to Agreements and select Start Now. This is your gateway to initiating a fresh document signing session. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for you to upload your documents and proceed comfortably. Now that you've clicked Start or Start Now, you'll be prompted to upload the documents you want to sign. You have the option to select files directly from your computer, ensuring they're easily accessible. If you frequently use standard forms or contracts, DocuSign templates can save you time and effort. Simply choose one that suits your needs. This flexibility allows for customization, making it ideal for various document types and situations. Once your documents are ready and uploaded, it's time to focus on recipient details. There is a field where you can enter the name and email of the recipient. Feel free to personalize this step by adding a code or a private message to the intended recipient. Additionally, providing a clear email subject and a concise message can enhance communication, ensuring your recipient understands the document's purpose and urgency before they even open it. It's these little touches that can make a big difference in how your document is received. Clicking Next will lead you to the next step, where you'll see the Standard Fields section. This is where you prepare the document for signing. This section allows you to drag and drop the necessary fields, such as signature, email, name, address, and numbers, onto the document. It's important to take the time to position these fields precisely so that your document is structured properly. This attention to detail ensures clarity for everyone involved and helps prevent any potential confusion. After you've placed all the necessary fields, the final step is to review everything carefully. Double-check that the fields are in the right place and that the document is ready for sending. Once satisfied, you can confidently click Send to dispatch the document for signing. And there you have it. You've successfully prepared and signed a DocuSign document before sending it off. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your document signing process is smooth, efficient, and professional. Thanks for tuning in, and happy signing!